One day, as I unwarily did gaze on those fair eyes, my love's immortal light, the whiles my astonished heart stood in amaze through sweet illusion of her look's delight, I might perceive how in her glauncing sight legions of loves with little wings did fly, darting their deadly arrows fiery bright at every rash beholder passing by. One of those archers closely I did spy, aiming his arrow at my very heart, when suddenly with twinkle of her eye the damsel broke his misintended dart. Had she not so done, sure I had been slain, yet as it was, I hardly scaped with pain.